How to Draw Hands by Alexander Rishkin. Part 1. Every figurative artist comes up with a question about how to draw hands. There is only one way to achieve good results in drawing hands, by knowing the hand's construction. Otherwise, you would have to draw what you see, and this easily results in mistakes. The ends of the first phalanges lie on a curved line. This line is arched because phalanges have different lengths. To avoid junior mistakes, you need to draw not what you see on models' hands, but what you know about the construction and anatomy of a hand. The complexity of planes and forms on the surface of each finger influences not only the outlines, but also the tones and colors. With 14 phalanges and 5 fingers, this is a lot of going on. Now, we can examine the model's hand and discuss some dimensions and proportions. The nail of the little finger ends at the place where the third phalange of the ring finger begins. Also, the end of the index finger coincides with the level where the nail of the middle finger begins. The index finger and the ring finger often have the same length, but this proportion is individual and may vary from person to person. The line between the beginning of the index finger and the little finger is tilted. You may also notice that the line between the index and the middle finger's knuckles has one angle, and the line between the middle and the little finger's knuckles has another tilt. The thumb ends at the middle of the first phalange of the index finger. The joint between the metacarpal and phalange bone of the thumb is approximately halfway from the wrist to the knuckle of the index finger. The outer outline of the radius bone is pointing to the index finger. However, the little finger is outside the border of the elbow bone. The ring finger is on the same line as the elbow bone. The volume of the thumb lies outside the palm. A human hand follows proportions of the golden ratio. For example, the third phalange is smaller than the second one according to the golden proportion. The same golden proportion is between the length of the third and second phalanges to the length of the first phalange. The length of the metacarpal bone to the length of the finger has the same golden ratio. All these proportions make a hand beautiful. The ratio of the length of the hand to the length of the lower arm also follows the golden proportion rule. The same golden proportion can be found in many other parts of a human body.